Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my cooked healthy breakfast plus a smoothie. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. Got some frozen mixed berries juice, acai bowl, some tomatoes, you know the drill. Got some, yeah. Well, but yeah, the first thing we'll be making is a smoothie, so we'll just get into that. So I first start off with the mixed berries. It's predominantly strawberries and like boysenberries because I ate all the blueberries out of it. So you just want to get fill it like 3/4 high with the berries, and then usually I have honey to sweeten it, but I had no honey at that time, so I just used juice, and this is orange and mango juice. It's pretty good for you. Like, it's not like juice isn't the greatest for you, but it's still pretty good. And yeah, I really like that juice, and it actually tasted really nice with the juice in it. So I might do that more often. So yeah, now I'm going in with some mint from my garden, like just mint, peppermint leaves or whatever. I had a cold at the time, so like peppermint's really good for colds and flus, so I just put it in there, and it's nice flavoring too, even if it's only a little bit. Now I'm gonna put in, oh, fix your camera, doll. Yeah. I'm just gonna put in some chia seeds. They don't have to be white chia seeds, but I just had white chia seeds. Black chia seeds are fine. You can find them at the supermarket, like Countdown and stuff. Sometimes they're on sale, sometimes they're not. Yep, go get a spoon. Yep. Take your time. So, I'm gonna put some of this acai bowl. Like, honestly, I don't like this actually as an acai bowl. I only like to put it in like smoothies and stuff. But it's really good for you. It's got really like a lot of antioxidants, and it doesn't taste too bad in the mixture. It kind of tastes like berries. Now I'm just filling up my cup with a little bit more water, just to make sure it's a nice liquid, not a thick paste. Put the jar on. No, not the jar, the lid on. Yeah, that looks rank, but it's actually really nice. Like, as you can see, it turns into a nice pinky red looking color, but it's really nice. Like, I totally rate this smoothie. Now you want to put it into the fridge so that it can have a wee bit of a cool down while you make your hot food. Yeah, boy. So we're going to prepare the food first, and what we're going to do first is cut some mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, this is just optional, like, but I like mushrooms. So yeah, I'm going to cut this mushroom, and I do it like really fast. I feel like I've got to talk really fast when I fast forward stuff, but yeah. Okay. Now, what am I doing? Oh, I've got some tomatoes. Oh, you're a dork. Stop it. Just stop. Okay. Now I'm just going to cut these up. These are really high in vitamin C, so it's really good for you. And like as I said, I had a cold when I was videoing this, and vitamin C is really good for when you're sick. So yeah, now I'm going to crack some eggs in a bowl because I'm going to be cooking with eggs today because I love eggs and they're so good for you. Like, apparently the egg whites are like more better. The egg whites are better for you than like the actual yolk, but that tastes yuck. But yeah, so I just put a little bit of just normal milk, just standard milk in with it and whisk it up with a fork. I was going to make an omelette, but I decided that scrambled eggs are just easier. And I use this herb salt or something. It's supposed to be better than you for normals. Better for you. Wow, sort it out. Supposed to be better for you than normal salt. I just put salt and pepper in it. And again, I went in with some white chia seeds. Now, you don't want to put too much of this in because you'll be shitting for days, because apparently if you put too much chia seeds in something, you'll have very lovely visits to the toilet. Wow, okay, I'll stop talking about that because that's a bit bad. But yeah, so this is what it looks like at the moment, and what we're going to be putting this on is a pita bread. So I use the wholemeal ones because they're better for you than the white ones, and I like the taste of these just as well. But yeah, you just want to put that in a toaster while you're cooking up your food. I use a non-stick pan to cook eggs because I feel like it's easier to clean afterwards. So you want to put it onto like a medium heat just to heat it up so it's nice and hot for your butter and your eggs. So as I said, butter, you put some butter in. I like it better than oil because it tastes better. So I put butter in the pan and wait for it to melt because, you know, that's what you do. Yeah, and I just mix it, like make it go all around the bowl thing, pan. But yeah, you put your mushrooms in there. You don't have to mix it up because it's just going to get mixed up anyway. So I don't see the point in doing that. Just want to tip it all in there, get everything out. Oh, yep. And I just use a spatula, like I don't know what to call it. Is that a spatula? I don't know. But, like, mix it around, like, just, it's pretty common sense. Like, you just mix it around like you're making scrambled eggs. And, yeah. So now I like it well done. I like my scrambled eggs well done because I feel like if I don't have them well done, I feel like I'm eating raw egg. So I like them to be well done and, you know, cooked. So now I'm going to take my toast out of my pita bread toast out of the thing, and it was so hot. I had to cover my hands with my sleeve. But yeah, so we're going to butter it. Usually I'd use avocado as the butter instead of butter because butter's not very good for you apparently, even though I love it. But it doesn't really come off that much because the pita bread's so hot that it just doesn't want to come off. But yeah, usually I use avocado. But then you want to transfer the scrambled eggs to your plate, and then I put a little bit of sprinkle, you know, a little sprinkle of the chia seeds again. Oh yeah, get it girl, get it girl. And then I put some pepper, and I forgot to put the tomatoes on because usually I do that, put the pepper on after I put the tomatoes. Wow, can't speak. But yeah, I just spread them out. Usually one tomato is good enough, but I was feeling really hungry and sick, so I put 2 on. And so yeah, going with that herb salt again, which is yum. And then we're taking it to the table because we're getting ready to eat it. This is making me so hungry right now, honestly, but I can't be bothered making it. Usually I make this on the weekends. But yeah, and so getting my smoothie out. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, and I'm just going to show you me eating it a little bit. Not too much because, you know, that's not attractive. But, yeah, this is really good. If you're interested in seeing me do more cooking ones, I would definitely do that because it's really fun. Like, although it takes a bit longer to film, but it's really fun. Like, and it's good to share, you know, healthiness. But yeah, like and subscribe and